Calculating percent changes in Google Drive is very easy. Once you have the information in your spreadsheet, all it takes is a simple formula to determine how much or how little something has changed. Let's take a look at what I have here. Let's say that in columns A and B, we have dollar amounts that represent a bank account. The current amount in my bank account is $100. Previously, I had $50. I need to figure out what the percent change of these two amounts is. I'm going to put that information here in cell A3. What I want to do is start a formula. For that, I need to press an equal sign. That tells Google Drive that I'm about to enter a formula. I'm going to put a parentheses and then click in cell A2. I could also type in the letters and numbers A2 if I wanted to. Then I will put a slash to indicate division and click on cell B2. Put my second parentheses -1 and press enter. Now Google Drive has automatically made this a percentage for me. If for some reason that was not the case, I could click up top and format as a percent. When I click on cell A3 where my answer is, I can see the formula that I typed. Now if I had more information, I could even add different cells in the parentheses and still get an answer. But for now, I'm going to keep this as it is. Let's say that I have a different situation down here where my current amount is less than the previous amount. I can still figure out what the percent change is. Remember, sometimes the percent change is a negative. Again, start with my equal sign, my parentheses, A19 divided by B19, parentheses -1. Here I can see what makes sense. I have lost half of the money in my bank account for some reason. So negative 50% is my percent change, which makes sense because I went from $100 previously to now only $50. If your dollar amounts show the previous amount first, so here we have previous and then current, just switch around your formula. So I'll start with my equal sign, but now I'm going to start with the current amount first after I put my parentheses. Okay, so always start with the current amount wherever it happens to be on your spreadsheet. Divided by A24 parentheses -1. Okay, now here, this did not turn into a percent for me, but when I click my formatting tool, it changes. That's a really easy way to calculate percent change. Good luck, and make sure you do a little bit of practice before starting on your project.